Hello, window lovers. This is where we answer the top 5, sometimes more, because I like to talk, most common questions about window treatments with a little northern New Jersey zest, humor, and practical advice thrown in. If you've been here before, you already know the drill. Before we dive in, if you don't know me, I'm Jose Ciandre from Made in the Shade, North Jersey, where we inspire and educate our audience about all things window coverings. So let's talk blackout shades and curtains. Ever feel like your bedroom is as bright as the Vegas Strip at 3 a.m.? Or that your neighbor's porch light was designed by a lighthouse engineer? Well, my friends, blackout window treatments might just be your new best friends. Let's tackle some of the most common and sometimes hilarious questions I get about them. Do blackout shades make my room 100% dark? Not unless you live in a cave. While blackout shades block a significant amount of light, small gaps around the edges can still let in slivers of brightness, especially if you install them inside the window frame. If you're looking for a total I can't see my own hand in front of my face experience, layering is the key. The best way to achieve complete darkness is by combining blackout roller shades or honeycomb shades with side tracks to seal those edges. If you want extra insurance, adding blackout curtains over the shades will create a luxurious theater-like effect, perfect for bedrooms, nurseries, or anyone who doesn't appreciate waking up with the sun like a rooster. Number 2, are blackout shades and room darkening shades the same thing? Nope. This is where marketing lingo can get a little shady, pun intended. Room darkening shades reduce most of the light, but they won't give you a pitch black room. Think of them like dimmable lights, great for making a space cozier, but not necessarily for deep sleep or complete privacy. Blackout shades, on the other hand, are made with densely woven or coated fabrics that block up to 99% of incoming light. If you're a light-sensitive sleeper like me, work the night shift, or just want to create the ultimate home theater experience, blackout is the way to go. Number 3, can blackout curtains really help me sleep better? Absolutely. Studies have shown that excess light at night can mess with your melatonin levels. And if you don't know what melatonin levels is, then you've been living in the dark ages, making it harder to fall and stay asleep. Darkness signals your brain that it's time to shut down and recharge, which is why blackout curtains and shades are a game changer for sleep quality. Personally, after a long day of installing shades and running a business, I sleep best in total darkness, like a Uruguayan after a full barbecue meal out cold. So if you're tossing and turning at night, try blocking out that annoying streetlight and see the difference. Number 4, will blackout shades help keep my house cooler? Yes, blackout shades are not just for sleeping, they're also energy-saving superheroes. By blocking direct sunlight and heat, they keep your room cooler in the summer and reduce strain on your air conditioning. Think of them like sunglasses for your windows. Without them, your home absorbs heat like a parked car in the sun. And if you want to double down on insulation, honeycomb blackout shades are one of the best options for reducing heat transfer. More shade equals lower energy bills equals more money for those nights out on the town. Number 5, are blackout shades only for bedrooms? Heck no. While blackout window treatments are a must-have for bedrooms, they also work wonders in other spaces. For example, media rooms and home theaters. No more annoying glare on your TV during movie night. Nurseries and kids' rooms, because babies don't respect your sleep schedule. Home offices, keeps the sun from turning your screen into a mirror. Living rooms and west-facing rooms, blocks out harsh afternoon sun for sure. If you're someone who values comfort, privacy, and energy efficiency, blackout shades and curtains can upgrade your entire home, not just the bedroom. Do blackout shades have to be boring? No way. Who said blackout means black and boring? Today's blackout shades come in a variety of stylish fabrics, textures, and colors, so you don't have to sacrifice aesthetics for functionality. For an ultra-modern look, go for motorized blackout shades that you can control with a remote, app, or even voice commands. Nothing says high-tech luxury like closing your shades while still lying in bed. Want a more traditional feel? Blackout draperies with decorative curtain rods adds an elegant touch while giving you total control over light and privacy. Bottom line, you don't have to choose between style and function. You can have both. Number 7, what's the best way to get total blackout? If you're serious about achieving 100% darkness, here's your ultimate formula. Number 1, inside mount blackout shades, preferably roller or honeycomb. 2, side channels or tracks to block those light gaps. 3, blackout curtains layered over the shades for extra coverage. 4, a good seal around the window frame to eliminate any sneaky light leaks. This combo creates a sleep sanctuary worthy of a 5-star hotel or a top-tier movie theater. And trust me, once you experience true blackout, there's no going back. Final thoughts? Keep it shady. Blackout shades and curtains aren't just about blocking light. They're about comfort, energy efficiency, and looking fabulous while doing it. Plus, let's not forget the added privacy they provide. Living in northern New Jersey, we all know how valuable a little me time away from prying eyes or street activity can be. Whether it's for a good night's sleep, cooling down the house, or just improving overall ambiance, the payoff is huge. Whether you need better sleep, a cooler home, or just an escape from your neighbor's interrogation strength floodlights, there's a blackout solution for you. If you're ready to turn your space into a dark, cozy retreat, you know who to call. Need help dressing those naked windows? Hit me up before your neighbor's porch light ruins another good night's sleep. Let's get started on transforming those glaring spaces into your personal haven without delay. Bye for now. See you in the next video.